Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Bob Test Scraping Crafts. Today we're gonna be starting a new content, and the content is all going to be about Minecraft. So today is our first day in the new content. So what we're going to make today in Minecraft is we're going to make a TNT cannon. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. So first, we need to make a U-shaped TNT cannon. And it should be one block above the ground. That's why, oh my god. So that's why I put one block down and then the other one on top. So it's one block above. So it should be 6 blocks wide. So let me just 1, 2, whatever. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now that, another that. Shoe. Shoe, puppy, shoe. Bye. Alright, that's good. That puppy what's wrong with it? Shoe, I said. Oh my god, this one. Okay, let's just go back. Let's just get back to our work. Alright, so it needs to be 3 blocks wide. And then again, 6 blocks long as usual. I mean, normal. Okay, so now we replace this, and this with some nice dispensers. Right? Facing all to the center. All facing to the center. These doesn't. Oh my god. Didn't say anything. Didn't say anything to it. Stop. Um. I know what to do. Come on. What's wrong? Dispenser? Don't be questioned. I said it needs to be one block above. Don't question. Don't get questioned. I'm gonna remove that block now. Alright. Now the next step is we're going to add by. We're gonna add one block down and one block up, and then here also one block under it, one block above it. And then this block is not a block, it's a dispenser. Facing facing that way. Facing this way to this block. Okay, so next what we do is green wool. We add wool one block under the blue blocks. We add one, two, 3, 4. We add 4 blocks. It should not cover this part. Okay, now what we're going to do is we need our fences and our pressure plates. An oak and dark oak fence and a come on. Come on! Bro. Oak pressure plate. Okay? And then this. Not there. This on top. Is that how it's? Yes, that's how it's supposed to be. And then water. Particularly water. That's the main part. Okay, and the water, you should drop it right here. So it runs onto the pressure plate. So once you've done that, this is now getting a little clear. Let's clear it up. I mean that. Let's clear this place. So I'll make a day so it's bright and shine. Once we're done that, time for some redstone magic. Not repeaters yet, my redstone. So we place redstone. No, that's redstone on the top 2 blocks. And then we use pink wool for some reason. It's pink wool. So let me just go back to inventor. And this is creative. There we go, this pink wool. I will only need one. Okay, we place the pink wool here. Oh my god. Finally. Is that a bee or what? Oh, there's a chase happening there between a fox and a wolf. And let's put a stone button. It should be a stone. It should be a stone button. And now what we're going to do is repeat this. Time for repeaters. What? Come on, get placed. Ones are getting placed. Oh my god. Put them all to a 4-tick delay. 4-tick delay. 4-tick delay. This is 2-tick delay. No, that's a 3-tick delay. Because that's a 4-tick. Yep, that's 2-tick delay. And now we did something wrong. There's no that. So now a sneaky cat. Get out of here. Get out of here. You're gonna get shot by TNTs. Okay, so once that's done, we are going to now put redstone again. Redstone there, and redstone there. But we're gonna have a repeater right there. The 4-tick delay. Okay, now load all the dispensers with TNT. It's the big time. You know when they say it's the big day? I'm saying it's the big time. Okay, now let me get my TNTs. There we go. Okay, I don't need. I've never used like where's TNTs? It's only ones, bro. Whatever. TNTs. What's? Oh my god. We need a bunch of TNT. Here we go, more TNT. I'm removing everything, and all we need is TNT. TNT rules. For now. That dog, I teach that dog a lesson, but it still doesn't learn its lesson. I tell it not to bark. but it keeps on barking. I even hit it, and it doesn't learn its lesson. Come on. There we go. That also. Where's the another dispenser? Those are all. That's also dispenser. What? What do you want? What do you want from me? Stop barking. Okay. It's the big minute. There we go. Oh, I broke it, sadly. I was about to click it, but I broke it. How dumb was I? There we go. There we go. And then there we go. Oh my god. It just blew up the whole TNT cannon. And it blew up that whole place. And this experiment was a nice thing to do. And if you liked my video, please share, subscribe, and keep watching. Bye. See you next time.